All right, this is Lab 8, Managing Data Security. We are working our way through supporting Windows 8.1 Lab Manual, part of the Microsoft Official Academic Course in preparation for exam 70-688. During this next series of videos, we'll be looking at managing the NTFS and share permissions, encrypting files with encrypting file systems or EFS, encrypting a volume with BitLocker, and then using a dynamic access control or DAC. So let's get started. With exercise 8.1, managing NTFS and share permissions. In this exercise, we're going to create a folder, share the folder, and then configure the NTFS and the share permissions. As a Windows administrator, you need to know how to manage files and folders, including how to configure NTFS and share permissions, so that users can access the files they need in order to perform their job while preventing other users from accessing the same files. The approximate time for this is about 20 minutes. And we're going to get started by looking at or navigating to our RWDC01 that is logged in as Contoso Administrator. Okay, now we're going to navigate to Active Users and Computers. Active Directory Users and Computers. And then we want to right-click New User. And here we're going to type in User 2. And then User 2 here under the login name. And then we're going to click on Next. We're going to uncheck this. Check User cannot change password. Password never expires. And we're going to use password. And then Finish. Now we're going to close the Active Directory Users and Computers. And we're going to go and log into Windows 8A as Contoso Administrator. Alright, we are on Windows 8A, and now we're going to navigate to our File Explorer. Double click on the C drive, and we're going to right click New Folder, and we're going to call this Data, and then enter. Right click Properties, Sharing, Share, Everyone, and then Share, and then Done. Now I'm just going to click on Advanced Sharing. I just want to make sure that the permissions are all here, and they are. So we're going to click on OK, and then OK, and then Close. Actually, I'm going to right click and go back to this, Properties, and go to the Security tab, and then click on the Advanced button, and then we're going to click on Effective Access tab. And then we want to select a user. And we want to type in User 2. And then OK. Now we want to click the View Effective Access button. And that takes us to question 2. Which permission does User 2 have? Which permission does User 2 not have in the data folder? We're going to click on OK. We go back into properties, security, and then edit. Here we want to click on add, user 2, and then OK. Click on user 2. We want to allow full control, and then OK. Click on the advanced button. Effective access tab. Again, we're going to click on select a user, user 2, and then OK. View effective access. And now you can see that user 2 has all access. Now we're going to click on OK, and then OK, and then we'll close out of our Explorer. And that is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. The next video we'll be going over exercise 8.2, which is encrypting files with the encrypting file name system, or EFS.